What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol CEI for Camber Energy Inc. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. We did cover this one just yesterday, and the main thing to watch was this breakout of the symmetrical triangle. We got that nice activity to the upside, and now there are some adjustments to be made. So let's go ahead and remove the resistance trendline as well as the support trendline, really. And I think the new one to be watching here for upside continuation is this one. Right? So if we come in from this low, do something like this, what you'll note is we're respecting this, right? So putting in higher lows and making a nice controlled uptrend now instead of remaining on that parabolic outshoot that we were on back here. So it's not to say that this is, devoid of pullback risk here, but I do like the fact that now it's giving some give and take, exactly that. So here's some take, here's some give, here's some take, here's some give, take, give, so on and so forth. That's healthy upside activity, and that's what we want to see remain in place here. So watch the support trend line to confirm that. I do still think that, the major line in the sand is, underneath that 132. That's where things change, and we probably get the pullback down into 1. But until that happens, just monitoring this support trend line. That's the main update to really bring. If you're not already long and you're trying to time a breakout here, the next thing to watch for is the break of 188. If I scrunch this chart up a hair here on the daily, what you'll notice is that above that, we have a small gap to fill. Then it's really off to the races until $2.26 from a structural standpoint, right? That's what I always hammer home here. I'm not saying that it has to happen all in one day. It could, but it also couldn't, right? It doesn't have to happen in one day. It doesn't have to happen in 1 week. But from a structural standpoint, 226 is the next number to be monitoring. And again, using this support trend line as your guide to remain either bullish and optimistic of the breakout or a little bit more conservative, right? If we do get the breakdown of the support trend line, then you're just looking for this to hold, right? Consolidation here above that 132, which we know if broken should lead to the breakdown to 1, the nice round number. So those are my thoughts. That's the main update to bring. I really wanted to hammer home the point that you can start using this as a guide. If we break it sideways through time, not the end of the world. Again, watching for healthy consolidation. Ideally, if we break it sideways through time, we hold this, right, somewhere in here, just about around that 160, so something like this. But on a more aggressive pullback through price, if we do, print not hammers, but candles that look like this, you're looking for 132 to hold in that case and stopping out underneath the lows here, in my opinion. Not financial advice, not trying to tell you what to do with your position, but I wouldn't want to be involved. That would clearly signal some sort of trend change here from the 30-minute perspective that it could be rolling over if we violate 132. So those are the main updates to bring, mainly just that support trend line as mentioned. So if you enjoyed the video, if you learned anything new, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.